Dude, we've never seen a crisis like this in our lifetime, but I'll tell you what we should do though, because this is a great time to make a lot of money, but you gotta know the right strategies. You gotta sell all your stocks now because the market's dropped so low. It's probably gonna go lower. And that kind of makes it so you bought high and sold low, but the market's probably gonna go lower, so think about how much money you'll save. And once you're out of the market, you wanna invest heavily in the meat market.
The meat market?
Yeah, the meat market's in China, bro. They're not slowing down. They have a ferocious appetite for bats and diseased pangolins over there. And China has like over 1 million people. And it takes a lot of contaminated meat to feed that many people. Do the math.
What math?
I don't know. I barely have to water this thing.
I think it's plastic.
That's probably why it's not growing. Dude, I invested my whole $1,200 stimulus check into alcohol. And I drank it. Never read this book because I don't need to. You know what you should do? You should open a restaurant. A big one. Think about it. Nobody's going to restaurants right now, which means there's no competition. You're definitely going to want to convert all your cash to gold and then convert all your gold to Bitcoin because Bitcoin's never going to go down. It's a decentralized currency, which makes it the most stable currency during times of crisis. Plus, if the apocalypse comes crashing down, do you know what these are, by the way?
No.
Yeah. You can just withdraw all your Bitcoin and use it to better your life because it doesn't exist in physical reality. I don't know why I have so many pills. Never been a better time to get into multi-level marketing. I just got into my wife's sister's mom's fiance's essential oil downline. It's a business opportunity. Look at it this way.
You just have poster board there?
Yeah, teaching moments, bro. I've got 5,000 Facebook friends. And just to be conservative, let's say I can get half of them into my downline. That's 2,500 people. And if they each sell $200 worth of product per day, that's 2,500 times 200 equals $500,000 per day. I get 15% of that because it's my downline, and that is $75,000 per day times 365 days a year equals $27,375,000. That's per year, every year. Guaranteed income, so easy. I'm not even gonna sell products myself because they're junk. Nobody wants to buy them. I'm just gonna get people into my downline to sell them. Dude, you're looking a little stressed. I think some lavender oil could help you. Let me test you. Dude, let me test you. Hold out your arm. Okay, hold strong. Oh, see, you're weak. Now hold the lavender. Does that feel stronger?
Yeah.
You might want to think about getting my downline. Dude, my uncle said, do you want an orange? He said, you want to put all your US dollars into yen. I had to act on that information fast if I were you.
Have you done that, JV?
No, I don't know how to buy yen. I'm not really a detail person. This orange tastes funny. I think it's moving. Dude, you gotta buy Zoom stock right now. The value has skyrocketed and you wanna get in now while the price is peaked. And the fact that all the Zoom executives are selling off all their shares tells you it's looking good for buyers right now. Also, I'm putting together a fund. It's by invite only, and I'd like to give you the opportunity to get in. It's a $4,000 buy-in. I'll manage the fund by going around and buying up all the food trucks that are about to go under because of social distancing. Then we'll have all the trucks converted into dog washing vans, and we'll sell them off for a massive profit. Dude, dogs aren't affected by the virus. None of them are dying. Dogs aren't going anywhere, not anytime soon anyway. There has never been a better time to bet on dogs. You'll easily double your money in 3 or 4 days.
How much of your own money have you put in the fund?
I'm not putting any in because I don't have any. Plus, I don't want investors to think that I've got a vested interest in the success of the fund. Like, I don't want to appear biased. If you want in before the door closes, I'll need your $4,000 investment by 8:45 p.m. tonight, preferably in cash. I don't want you to miss out. Also, did you want to get into my downline? Like, these are really all the strategies you need to get rich during a crisis. Oh, also, click the link in the description to join me for my live stream comedy show this Friday. You'll encounter a wealth of entertainment.